particular type of petrol, and they wet it on petrol and then on the ink here, and then they rub on the paper like this, which they have perforated. They have made tiny little holes in all the traces of the pattern with a machine like this. This one doesn't have the needle anymore. That's why I'm able to touch it, otherwise I wouldn't. And they have a pedal. They press the pedal and it makes the machine work, and down here it goes up and down very, very quickly. They just hold it on the side. It has lost also that part of the arm of the machine, and they pass it and perforate the paper, so when they pass the wad of wet in the petrol and the ink, it will go through those tiny little holes and will make a perfect printing on the cloth like this. Do you see? And this is what goes to the embroiderer who's working home. Embroiderers